Welcome to our channel. Professional golfers practice differently than amateurs. Adopting their methods accelerates improvement regardless of skill level. Step 1. Practice with specific, measurable goals for every session. Rather than hitting balls aimlessly, define what you want to accomplish. Professionals track metrics and work toward clear objectives. Step 2. Use a structured routine dividing time between full swing, short game, and putting. Professionals typically spend more time on scoring shots than full swings. Step 3. Practice intentionally by creating variation. Hit different clubs to different targets, simulate course situations, and practice trouble shots. Random practice transfers better to course performance. Step 4. Video your swing regularly for analysis. Professionals review video constantly, identifying issues and tracking improvements. Self-awareness accelerates development. Step 5. Work with qualified instruction. Professionals have coaches providing objective feedback and guidance. Regular lessons prevent bad habits and accelerate progress. Step 6. Practice under pressure. Create games, competitions, or consequences simulating tournament conditions. Mental skills develop only through experiencing pressure. Step 7. Maintain detailed statistics about your performance. Track fairways, greens, scrambling, putts, and other metrics. Data reveals where practice attention should focus. Step 8. Balance physical practice with rest and recovery. Professionals understand that improvement requires adequate recovery time. Avoid burnout through proper scheduling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.